Hi guys, welcome back to DevOps Project-6. Guys, in previous session we saw that how to install Terraform and AWS CLI in our local machine, in local Linux machine. Guys, I think already you have seen this one, the flow of the project. Once again, I'll explain you this. Guys, see guys. So from AWS, we are logging into the AWS account. Then we are going to creating access key in the AWS account. Then we are going to configuring in AWS CLI, AWS CLI mission. I mean that in our local mission. So in our local mission, we need to be installed Terraform and AWS CLI. This is the first step. This is the first step. In previous video, I shown you how to install and configure these steps. So now we are extending this step to execution the to execute the DevOps Zomato cloned application. If we want to execute, yes, we need to be write Terraform scripts in the local machine. Yes, already have written the scripts. Then I'm going to executing those scripts by Terraform. Once we try to execute that, those scripts goes to Amazon AWS services. Then once it's receive our scripts by using Terraform, the AWS will start the process to create a one EC2 instance. That instance depends on our specified type of the specified type EC2 instance. In my case, I'm choosing T2 large. I'm choosing T2 large type EC2 instance. So once we launch that instance, then automatically by using template scripts inside that instance, Jenkins will install. Jenkins will install. So once Jenkins over, then then automatically we are going to integrating GitHub to Jenkins. GitHub to Jenkins. Once it's over, or else once we create Jenkins, at the same time, in the same time, we are going to creating a container in the same EC2 instance, Docker container. If we want to create a Docker container, before that we should have Docker image. Before that, we should have that Docker image. That Docker image also SonarQube Docker image. By default, the scripts will pull the image from Docker Hub to this EC2 instance. Then by that script, we are going to creating a container, SonarQube container, and starting the service with the port number 9000. After installing and configuring SonarQube, then we are going to integrating with the Jenkins. After integrating Jenkins, after integrating Jenkins with the SonarQube, whatever we got the code from GitHub to Jenkins, then we are sending to SonarQube for code analysis and for code quality gates. If the code quality gates is okay, then we are going to installing npm node package manager. These are the dependent tools we are going to installing in our EC2 instance Jenkins server. So once it's installed over, then we are sending the next steps to OWASP for checking the dependencies. So whatever the dependencies are there, yes, it will check the dependencies. So once it's a dependencies over, then we are sending to Trivi for vulnerability checking. So once it's over, yes, then the step goes to Docker. Already we have installed this Docker by using template script. Now what we are doing in this step, we are going to creating a container. We are going to creating a container, or else before that, before that we are going to developing one image. I mean that we are building one image, our custom image, which one we need to be deployed Zomato application. That's a custom image. Docker. By the Docker, we are going to building the Docker image. Once again we are going to checking with the Trevi vulnerability scanning. So once it's over, the image is ready to deploy into Docker Hub. By the Jenkins pipeline script, we are going to deploy into Docker Hub registry, repository or registry. So once it's over, with the same image, we are going to creating a container with our custom application, which we have developed a Node.js application that is calling as a Zomato cloned application. This is the process. This is the flow of the process. Now what we are doing that now we are going to set up in this environment. Now we are going to set up in environment. Now let me show you that script and template files. See guys, here I already have the code. Is coming to main vam main.tf. So inside this script, inside this infrastructure as a code script, already we have written. See guys, this is the script. Yes, we are going to creating AWS security group with the Jenkins HC security group. Is the name, and we are opening the ports. The ports are 22 for SSH, 80 for HTTP for web server, and one for 443 for HTTPS security, hypertext transfer protocol security HTTPS, and once again HTTP 8080 for Jenkins. This is for SonarQube, and this is for cloned Zomato application running. We are running that application on this port number and the description, and from the port number and the end port number. The protocol is TCP and CADR block. If you want to understand this one, you should have some basic knowledge or intermediate knowledge about networking scripts, networking concepts. Then only you can understand little bit. So this complete belongs to networking and protocols. Okay. Next coming to ingress, CADR block. This one. Next coming to tag. We are going to tagging the Jenkins SZ. Next coming to AMI. AMI application. Now we are choosing this AMI. So let me change this one, and let me change that keys also. Yes, now I'm going to modify this one. Now come to EC2 dashboard. Yes, click on that EC2. Just wait, guys. Next, click on that instance, launch instance. Next, instance type. Ubuntu we are choosing, and Ubuntu verified IP address. This is the IP address. I'm choosing North Virginia. I'm choosing North Virginia. Copy this one and move to script. Just edit this one, apply that insert. I'll provide this script also. Already I have uploaded in the GitHub. I'll show you that GitHub repository also. You can get this code and just modify based on your resource. Just paste here, and I'm choosing that T2 large. T2 large. Next, come here. Next, I'm choosing T2 large. with the two CPUs and with 8 GB RAM. Next, coming to key pairs. Coming to key pairs. Just click on this one. Go to keys, key pairs. Click on here. This is my existing key pair. At present, it's not available in my local machine. So that reason, I'm going to creating one more new key pair. Click on this one. Yes, key pair name Zomato test test app app project. Yes, I'm naming this one. I'm choosing as a .pem format. Just click on that create. Yes, now I'm taking this one. Copy this one. Yes, now I'm saving in my local machine. Save this one. Now move to this script. Just now come here. Remove this one. Just paste it. That's it. Next, see here. AWS Security Group Jenkins SG Next, coming to user data. This is the important thing here for installing Java, Jenkins, Docker, and Trivy. So we have written those steps to install in this EC2 instance. The tools are Java, Jenkins, Docker, and Trivy. Those four softwares we are going to installing by this template. So it's converting as a template. But already we have written the file. It's already available. I'll show you that. Okay. Yes, that's all in this file. And the volume size is 30 GB. We are choosing 30 GB size of the disk space because we are going to installing number of softwares and we are going to configuring. Okay. So that reason we are choosing 30 GB size of volume. Yes, that's enough. Now save and exit. Save and exit. Next, coming to next one, BAM install data Jenkins install underscore Jenkins data ss file. See guys, here we are choosing Ubuntu VM or is Ubuntu instance we are choosing. So once we launch that by applying this script, yes, the first step the system will update, EC2 instance will update. After that, adaptive factory the key will generate, and this is the script to run adaptive list. Next, we are going to once again we are going to updating. Then we are going to installing Java JDK 17. This is the step to see the installed version. Then we are going to downloading key Jenkins key. Then we are going to updating once again the server after downloading the key. Now here we are going to installing Jenkins and starting the service, and we are seeing the service. Next, coming to Docker. Now we are going to installing once again. We are going to updating server. Then we are going to installing Docker. Then we are converting Docker to Ubuntu user mod by using user mod command. Next, the group will create Docker. Group will create Docker. Next, we are changing the permissions for Docker socket with the full permissions 777, and then we are going to creating a container for configuring SonarQube with the help of SonarQube image. So it's already existing image in the Docker Hub. Whenever we run this command, automatically script will run. So by running this, whenever the command comes to run this command, if the image is not available in the local machine, then it will pull the image, SonarQube image. By that SonarQube image, we are going to creating a container with the name of Sonar, and we are going to assigning port number, external port number with 9000. SonarQube default port number is 9000. Okay, then the part is over. Here we are going to installing Docker and we are going to creating a container for SonarQube. Next, coming to this is the this step for Trivy for vulnerability checking and scanning purpose. Okay, yes, once again, here we are going to installing the packages related to a Trivy package. That's it, guys. So this is the template. Here, okay, the task is over. Now coming to provider. This also very important, guys. In this, in this step, so here HashiCorp we are going to install in source and version is 5.0. Then coming to provider AWS, here we need to be modified. I mean that I am changing that region. Here I am choosing that North Virginia, North Virginia. So this is the region. I am choosing this region. Yes. Take this one and copy this one. Just to modify this. That's it. Yes. Now save this one. Yes. Now everything, almost everything is ready. Everything is fine. Now here, now what we are doing here, we have modified the scripts with existing scripts. On existing scripts, we have modified based on our present requirement. Okay. Now here we need to be create key. Already have configured. I have already have configured. Once again, I want to be configured once again because I'm at present I'm choosing that North Virginia. So that reason I want to be create one more new user and need to be created access key. Of course, already user is there. If you don't know how to create access key, let me show you once again. Just come to AWS account. Now click on that services. Now click on that IAM. Now click user. Already CloudGen user is there. Once again, I'm going to creating one more. Let me delete this one. First of all, we'll create one more new one and I'll show that how to configure. Copy this one and paste here for deletion. Click on that delete user. Successfully we have deleted. Now we are going to creating a new user. Once again, click on that user. Already we are there. Now click on that create user. Now name the username. Yes, now I'm naming that Zomato CloudGen Zomato. Yes, now click on that. Next, click on that attach policy. This is very, very important. Click on that attach policy directly. Now, this is the important. You need to choose this one. Just click on that administrator access. That's enough. Now come to bottom, scroll it. Now click on next. Yes, now click on next. Here in this step, if you want to create a tag, you can create, or else you can continue without tag creation. But in my case, yes, I'm continuing with without creating a tag. Click on that create user. Successfully we have created. Now what we have to do in this case, now we need to configure this access key. Now we are going to configuring access key. First of all, I want to create access key in the AWS console. Now click on this user for creating access key. Now you can find here credentials. Just click on this security credentials. Now come bottom, just scroll this. Now you can find here create access key. Click on this button. Now select that command line interface. Now come to bottom, just select this one. Next, click on next. Yes. If you want to tag a value, yes, you can tag, or else you can continue without a tag also. But in my case, I'm going to without a tag. Just click on that create access key. That's it. Okay, guys. Now, now, guys, if you want to configure these steps, already I have given that end to end for installation Terraform. For installation Terraform, I have provided steps. You can go through this one. Just let me show you here. Yes, Zomato, Terraform, EC2. Here also, yes, the Terraform file scripts are here. You can download directly. See, guys. Now what we are doing? So already we have installed this one in the previous year. Okay, Terraform and AWS CLI. Now we are going to configuring this one. This is the command to configure access key, secret key, region, and format. Just copy this one. Now come to command line. Just apply here. Now it will ask us access key ID. Just wait, guys. It's a little bit slow. And come here. Now it's asking key. Next, copy this one. Come here. Paste here. Already I have configured. No, that's the previous one. Now I'm going to configuring with the new one. Yes. Now it's asking access key, ID, security key. Yes. Select this one and paste here. Now it's asking that. See, I have configured with AP South Mumbai region. Now present I am choosing that North Virginia. Okay. Yes. Now go to AWS services. Click on that EC2 instance. Now come here. Again click on here. Just wait. Yes. Copy this one. Now come here. Yes. Format is JSON. Format is JSON. Just now hit the enter. Yes, guys. Successfully we have configured. This step over. We have integrated with our local AWS CLI and Terraform script. And the Terraform script files also ready to execute. Now what we are doing? Now I am going to executing Terraform script files by using Terraform software. Now come here. See, guys. Here we are having commands Terraform, Terraform init, Terraform validate, Terraform apply, okay, and Terraform plan in order. Terraform init, Terraform validate, and Terraform plan, and Terraform apply. Okay. Now I am going to initiating with the command Terraform init. Just wait, guys. Just wait. It will take some time. Yes, guys. See, successfully initiated. Now the next command we are applying that Terraform plan. So what it will do that, yes, it will check the what are the resources for require our execution, our task. So and it will display the whatever we are using the services for our execution. Yes, guys. Here the problem. Yes, registry with the provider. Guys, actually the problem is already I have executed this one. So if we reboot this one, it will erase that. Now let's just let me reboot this one. Reboot. Just wait. So we got this issue now. Actually, there is no any kind of issue with the scripts. Successfully we have executed. But the problem with this one. Okay, 443. Okay, it's mean it's not reaching to server signature and keys and expired. So that reason we need to be reconfigured. Just wait, guys. Server is restarting. If you want to configure this AWS CLI and Terraform on Windows, yes, you can configure. For practice purpose, I am going to installing this Linux server. If I'm not interested to work with this AWS CLI and Terraform, just if I remove this one, it's very simple to remove that without uninstalling and installing in the Windows machine. If you want to reconfigure with new steps, yes, once again you can create one new VM and you can install Terraform on AWS CLI and just configure simply for practice purpose. Just wait, guys. Yes, the same server. If it is come with the same server, just click on that restart. Yes, with the same IP address. Yes. Now successfully we have configured. Next, click on that slash opt ll cd Zomato. Move to this location. Now, guys, apply that. The command is what is the command? Terraform plan. Just apply this one. And before that, we need to be initiate. Just we'll see that. First of all, we need to be initiated the script. Then we need to be apply plan. Then we need to be apply Terraform apply. Just wait. If you are going to configuring first time, you need not to restart this one. You will not get this kind of experience. See, guys. See, these resources we are using. Okay, CADR block, IP address, ID, everything. See, guys. So now we are going to using this all services. Internally, in backend, these services will work on this EC2 instance. Now it is asking that Terraform apply for next step. Just you can copy and paste, or else you can run by command line directly by typing that. Yes, now apply this one. We can apply that auto approve, but I didn't apply that. It will ask us confirmation by uh, applying YES. See, it's asking YES. Terraform will perform the actions okay described above. Okay, only yes will be accepted to approve. Yes, if you say that yes, now click on that yes. Now see, guys, security group have created, and now the instance creating. AWS EC2 instance creating in the console. Yes, it's created. Now come here. Now click on that instances. Just wait. Yes, cancel this one. See, guys, Jenkins Sonar server. Okay, T2 large. Just still it's initiating. Now select this one. Yes, now click on that connect. Just click on that EC2 instance connect. See, Ubuntu IP address. This is the public IP address. Now click on that connect. Just wait. It will take some time to, yes, copy this public IP address. Just wait, guys. So meanwhile, coming into root user, sudo space su. This is the user. Okay, root user. Just wait. It's not coming. Yes, come here. Take this public IP address. Now you can close this one. Now open one new tab. Yes, now paste here and apply the port number for Jenkins 8080. Yes, our Jenkins is ready. At the same time, once again open one more new tab. Paste here. The port number is 9000 for SonarQube. Yes, now copy this one. Now move to CLI and apply here. Cattle. Just paste here. Hit the enter. Now select this one and click mouse right button. Copy this one. Now move to Jenkins console. Paste. Yes, no need. Just click on that install suggested plugins. Now here, just wait. It will take some time to configure because it want to pull the image, then it want to create a container, then it want to start the service. For for doing this one, it will take some time. See now the Sonar cube also configuring. Yes. Now it's going to installing plugins. Yes. Just wait. Almost the plugins installed. Yes. Now come with the username. I'm choosing this one. Password also same one. Yes. Full name also same one. And mail ID. Yes. Click on that. Save and finish. Okay. Yes. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Jenkins server is ready. At the same time, almost this one also ready. Just wait. Guys, here I have given that complete one step-by-step process for configuring this project. See guys, this is the in the SonarQube server, create a token with the same Sonar token. Okay, already in if you come to this Jenkins pipeline script, yes, I have mentioned SonarQube token, Sonar token. That's easy to execute to you also. See guys, Sonar token. Okay, and here once again Sonar token. Okay, that's easy to you to execute this script and to configure this environment. So my suggestion is better to create Sonar token. So here the login username is default login username is admin and the password also admin. Just click on that login. Now it will ask you that it will ask you new password. Yes, apply that old password admin and a new password. Which one you want? Yes, you can. Yes, update. Cannot request. Yes, admin. Password not matching. Just wait, guys. Yes. If you want to save this one, you can save this, or else you can click on that now. Okay. See, guys, our Sonar queue also ready. So, up to here, what we did? Yes, already we have applied this one. Script gone to AWS, and that AWS okay has created one EC2 instance, and in that instance we have installed Jenkins also, and we need to be integrated this GitHub to Jenkins. Before that, one SonarQube also ready. Now we are going to integrating this SonarQube with Jenkins. Now we are going to integrating with SonarQube. Jenkins with SonarQube or SonarQube with Jenkins. Now let me show you that. Yes, guys. This is our SonarQube and this is our Jenkins. Next, coming to here, I have given that step by step. Step by step, I have given that. First of all, create one token in the SonarQube server. First of all, create one SonarQube token in the SonarQube server. If you want to create a token, click on that SonarQube server, come to SonarQube server and click on that profile icon, click on that my account. Now click on that security and the token name. Yes, I am naming SonarQube. Copy that one. You can type manually also, but spelling mistake and something and all, I'm copying and pasting that. Yes, global analysis token. Yes, this is enough for our practice purpose. Okay, if you are going to maintaining this server more than 30 days, yes, you can choose any other plan. Okay, if you don't want to uh, delete this one, if you are maintaining the server permanently, yes, you can choose this no expert. Yes, now generate token. See guys, this is the token. Now we are going to adding this. Now we are going to adding these credentials to Jenkins. Copy this one. Now come to Jenkins. Now click on that Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Now click on that credentials. Now come to system. Click on this system or else global. Yes. Now click on that credentials. Now come with the secret text. Select this secret text. Now the secret text, which one we have copied, once again just click on here, it will copy and paste here. And ID, I'm saying that Sonar token. Again the same one I'm pasting here. Yes. Paste here and create here. This one is over. Now we are going to creating a Docker credentials. So here, so you need to take the Docker Hub login username and password. If you want to upload image into Docker Hub repository, we need to configure these Docker credentials in Jenkins with the username, password. Just wait. Yes, click on that continue. Yes, this is the Docker Hub login username and this password. We need to add in the Jenkins. Okay, guys. Now, see, guys, this is the Docker Hub login username and its password. Now, once again, click on it, Jenkins. Again, click on the credentials. Yes, with username password. Username password. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Then here, Docker Hub login username is yes. Sorry. Username is and password. Yes. ID Docker. I name this ID also in the Docker credentials. If you observe this one in the script, see guys, in the Docker credentials, this is the ID. Same one I have mentioned here. So if you are changing this one, you have to change here also. So already I have mentioned this one, so that reason same one I am writing here. Now click on that create. Successfully created. Yes, successfully we have created Sonar token and Docker token we have created. Now coming to Jenkins dashboard, click on that manage Jenkins. Now we are going to installing some plugins here. See guys, these two over SonarQube token creation over and Docker token creation also over. Now what we are doing that now we are going to installing these plugins. Okay, yes, one by one. Now come to manage Jenkins, click on that plugins. Yes, click on that available. Yes, the plugin name Eclipse. Doing that. Next, Sonar, Sonar Scanner plugin, SonarQube Scanner. Next one, Node.js, Node.js. Click on that Node.js. Next one, next one, OWASP, dependency checking. Just take this one. Now total 4. Now come to Docker. Select this Docker. Click on that. Now select this Docker, Docker Commons, and Docker Pipeline, Docker API, and Docker build step. Total 9 plugins. Yes, now install. See, almost it's installed, guys. Successfully. Last one. Successfully we have installed plugins. Now come to Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Now we are going to adding tools to Jenkins. Whatever we have installed the tools and the plugins, now we are going to adding one by one. Now click on the tools. Yes, now come to JDK. Guys, these steps also already have provided. You can see here one by one. Tools in Jenkins. Okay, so SonarQube, okay, Java, Node.js, OWASP, Docker. See guys. Okay. So now, okay, tool name is JDK7. This one also already I have specified here, guys. See, and the tools location JDK17. If you want to change with another name, yes, you can give whatever you want, but you need to modify in the Jenkins file script also. Okay, the same one I'm going to giving in this location. Yes, click on that add JDK. Yes, JDK17. Next, select install automatically. Now choose here. Yes, install Adaptium. Yes. Now here we are choosing 17 point. Yes, just wait, guys. Yes, 17.0.8.1 plus 1. Select this one. Next, come Git default. No need to change. Now come to SonarQube. Click on that add SonarQube. Yes, SonarQube name. Yes, already we have given that now same name. I am applying that to Sonar hyphen token. Next, okay, downgrade this one. Yes, choose this one, guys. 5.0.1.3006. Okay, next one. Okay, Node.js. Select this one. Yes, Node 16. Yes, Node 16. So this one I have mentioned this tool name also. Yes, come here. See guys, Node 16. Okay, and coming to version for Node.js. See 16.2.0. 16.2.0. See 16.2.0. This one. Select this one. Yes, that's one over. Next, come to dependency check. Click on that here. Okay, dp hyphen check. This one also already I have mentioned in the Jenkins pipeline script. Yes, come here. See guys, dp hyphen check. Already I have given that name also. Okay, see, keep in mind whatever you want to change these names, just you can modify in the Jenkins file, or else you can assign the names in the tools. Then you have to then you have to change with the same names whatever we have written in the tools location in the Jenkins file also. You need to modify or you need to update with the tools names whatever we have given in the tools location in the Jenkins file also. This is very important. Okay. Next, install automatically here. Choose from the GitHub. Choose from the GitHub. Next, version already have mentioned here, you can see here guys. Dependency check 6.5.1. Now come here, 6.5.1. 6.5.1. See this. Okay, that's enough. Next, come to Docker. Click on that Docker. Yes, name. Already we have given the token name. Same name I'm giving here also. Docker, and install automatically. Just click on that Docker. Install download from dockerhub.com. Next, by default latest. So this one also already I have mentioned latest. That's enough. Now save this one. So now what we did, so we have created credentials and we have installed plugins and we have installed and we have configured tools. Next, coming to, now we are going to integrating SonarQube with Jenkins. We are going to installing SonarQube with Jenkins. Now come here. So don't delete this one. No, we are having some more. Next, copy this one. Sorry, no need this. No need this. Now click on that. Manage Jenkins. Now click on system. Click on system. Okay, wait. Next, come to SonarQube servers. Click on that environment variables. Now click on that add SonarQube. Yes, name. Same name I'm going to mention, that is Sonar hyphen token. Next, SonarQube server URL. Just take this one, copy this one. Now come to Jenkins and paste here. Remove this slash. Okay, Sonar token. Next, credentials. Already we have added now. Just select this one. Now click on that advanced, and if you are using that webhooks, yes, select this one also. Yes, save this one. SonarQube integration part is over with Jenkins. SonarQube integration part over with Jenkins. Okay, guys. Next, we are going to configuring webhooks in SonarQube. Okay. Yes. Now click on that security. Sorry, SonarQube. Next. Okay. Click on that administration. Click on that configuration. Click on that webhooks. Click on that create. Yes, name is Jenkins and URL. The URL. Just remove this one and come to Jenkins. Select this path. I mean that IP address link. Yes. Paste here and remove one slash and apply in the end of the last. It's very important. Otherwise, we will get build fail. Slash is important. Now, create. Click on that create. Now successfully we have created configured. We have configured webhooks in SonarQube and we have configured SonarQube in Jenkins. Integrated part is over. Almost done. Now come to Jenkins. Now come to Jenkins. Now what we are doing, this step over, Jenkins SonarQube, Jenkins SonarQube integration part is over. Now we are going to implementing pipeline script. We are going to integrating GitHub with Jenkins to get the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Once we get the code from GitHub to Jenkins, then we are sending to SonarQube for code quality analysis and for code quality gates checking. So once it's over, then we are going to installing npm node package manager dependent plugins or dependent tools in this Jenkins server. So once it's over, then we are sending to for dependency checking with WASP. Dependency checking with WASP. Okay, guys. Yes. Then it will goes to Trevi. So first of all, let me integrate GitHub, GitHub with Jenkins. Now we are going to integrate with Jenkins. Now come here. So this is my repository. This is my repository. Yes. Now take this repository URL. If any changes required, we will see in the middle of that. Yes. Now copy this one. Take this link. Now move to Jenkins. Click on that new item in the Jenkins dashboard. Now name the project. Zomato test project I am naming, and click on that pipeline. Click on that OK button. Now click on that pipeline. Yes, now move this, click on that pipeline script from SCM. Next, choose your Git and GitHub repository URL. Next, credentials known. Now that master is main. Yes, now save this one. Guys, if you don't know how to write Jenkins pipeline or Jenkins file, already I made some videos. Yes, you can go through those videos, guys. End to end, I have written manually, step by step. I have written those Jenkins files step by step, and I have executed those scripts directly by writing, okay, in the live class only. So please go through those videos, guys. If you don't know how to write that, the same one, just we are going to modifying this one. Okay, now click on that save. Click on that save. Okay, next. Okay, click on that build now. Now the process started. So now the flow is now integrating. We are getting the code from GitHub to Jenkins. Then it goes to SonarQube for code quality analysis and for checking code quality gates. So step by step you can see here, guys. Now click on this console output. Just wait. Just wait. It will take some time. See, guys. Process started. Step by step going. If you want to see, just let me create one more new tab. Duplicate one. Yes. Now click on this Zomato project. Click on that stage. You can see which stage is going at present. Yes, code checking is okay. Now it's going to code analysis with SonarQube. If you want to see the process step by step, see, guys, it's going. Yes, build fail. Let me show you here what is the problem here. Okay, Sonar token webhook did not match webhook secret. Okay, yes, build fail. SonarQube code quality is okay, but problem with code quality gates. Now come here once again. So something happened here. Okay, it's okay. Just click on that. Yes, what is the problem? Did not match configured. Sonar token for code analysis. Just come here. Is pipeline script, Jenkins pipeline, code quality gates, Sonar token. Now come here, just click on this. Yes, update. This one is okay, fine. Okay. Now come back here once again. Let me create the project. Click on that configure. Sorry, not this one. Click on that credentials, manage Jenkins. Click on that credentials. This one also okay. Sonar token. This one also okay. Okay. So let me delete this one. We will create once again. Just click on that create. Yes, Jenkins. Just take one new one. Yes, copy this one. Delete this one and come here Jenkins. Yes, copy this one. Just come here, paste and remove this one. Slash, not slash. So same one, previous also, but we'll try to once again create this one. Now go back to Jenkins. Just click on once again. We'll see that case. Click on that build now. Sometimes it will happen like that due to some reasons, any network issue or something like that. Yes. Once again, mm, go to dashboard, click on the job and click on the stages. If you want to see stages, just wait. I think step forwarded. Code code quality gates. Okay, guys, successful. Now click on the test stages. Remove this one. Duplicate. Click on this one. Just click on the test stages. It's not working. Yes, now it's working. Now, guys. Okay. Now it's under WASP dependency also installed successfully. It's installed the dependencies. Now it's checking dependency. Whatever the requirement is there, it will check on. Guys, here it will take couple of minutes, guys. Minimum 15 to 20 minutes time will take. You should have patience here. Okay. Minimum it will take 10 to 15 minutes time. And depends on your EC2 instance type and your network speed and the configurations also. That's also very important. But at least minimum 10 to 15 minutes time it will take. Okay, so guys, I'll stop for 5 to 10 minutes this video recording. See guys, in the back end, so how the steps are going. Yes, analysis started. See, dependency dependency check is open for source tool perform a best effort analysis and third party dependencies. Okay, so it's going right now. NVD CV analyzer, okay, CP analyzer. So guys, okay, still this step is the highest time taking step here. We should have patience here. Just wait, guys. Yes, guys, little bit forwarding step by step. Finished vulnerability suspension analyzer. It's going little bit forward. Finished the Sonar type OASS index analyzer, open source software. So still here, it is here. Yes, guys, going forward. Now review process started. Yes, guys, now you can come here. Yes, so successfully WebAS dependency check scanning is over. Now it is going to review FS scanning. Yes. Vulnerability scanning is enabled. Secret scanning started. Okay. Still we are having some more steps. Docker image creation, yes, that one also over. Now it's going to creating Docker image. Yes, started. The Docker file, already Docker file is there. If you come here, yes, go back. Yes. In this Docker file, we have written this Node.js installation and a worker directory. It moves to app directory. It will create already directory is there. It goes there and copy the JSON files whatever we are having in our local machine, and it install that npm inside that container and copy the files whatever we are having local, and npm run will start, and the port number is 3000. Command line npm start. This process will configure inside that container. See, guys, npm install, it's started. Whatever we have written commands inside the Docker file, those commands will execute here. Finally, we will get one container. So this is the container, and whatever we have developed the image goes to, now the process is npm is over, code quality gets okay, and npm package is already installed, WebAS also over, Trivia also over. Now Docker, by the Docker, now the image going to creating. Docker image creating. Once it's over, Docker image creation is over, then it will goes to once again preview for scanning image. See, guys, still, so almost in a final level. Total 8 out of 8, fifth one is going. Yes, still is going. Sixth step is going. Run npm, run build. Inside the Docker file, this one is going. Yes, yes. Almost Docker image is ready. Docker image is ready. Now if you come to just refresh here, yet not uploaded. So trying to upload the image into Docker Hub. Yes guys, successfully it's uploaded. Now you can come here, refresh here. See guys, less than a minute. Just now it's uploaded into Docker Hub image. Now it's going to creating a container. Once again, now it's in the scanning level. Scan deployed into Docker registry. Then now it's going to scanning that image once again for creating a container. See, once again the image scanning by Trivi. Once it's the scanning is okay, then it will create a container. By this container we can see output, the Zomato cloned application. It won't take much more time, more than 1 minute. I think below 1 minute. Just wait guys. Yes, the step also over. Yes, successfully it's a created container. Now see guys, job also successfully finished. Now the container is also ready. Now take this IP address, only that IP address, copy this one, open one new tab, just paste here, container port number is 3000. Final output, the cloned Zomato application. See guys, successfully, successfully we have deployed the application in the Docker container. Yes guys, finally we have executed application in the Docker container, the cloned Zomato application. That's all in this overall process project execution guys. Okay, thank you. And guys, please subscribe my channel, share and like my videos guys. Okay, I'm requesting you one and all. Thank you for seeing this video. Okay.